Hi, my name is Natasha and I have curly hair. Now, a lot of you guys don't know or see that very often, but 3 out of 7 days of the week, I wear my hair curly. I also do tend to be very lazy, but these hairstyles really save up on time and look pretty effortless. So winner winner, chicken dinner, here are the hairstyle how-tos. There you go, simple and quick hairstyles in a minute. Subscribe to this channel and let me know if you'd like any other curly haired hairstyles. Also, if you want to know how I achieve my curls after my shower, let me know in the comments below. I'm Natasha, see you next time.